If you're still opening a code editor and prompting an artificial intelligence one request at a time, you're already falling behind. The latest trend is building loops. Instead of asking an artificial intelligence to write a feature, you build a workflow that asks for you. One model writes the code, another reviews it like a senior engineer, sends feedback, and the cycle repeats automatically while you sleep. You wake up, check the results, and barely touch the code. It sounds impressive, but most people are not running autonomous software factories. They're simply trying to become better developers. If that's your goal, letting a swarm of artificial intelligence agents do everything for you is probably the fastest way to stop learning. Every time you sit down to code, you're either trying to ship a product or you're trying to learn. Both are completely valid as long as you're honest with yourself. The problem starts when you believe you're learning even though the artificial intelligence is writing everything. If you could not rebuild the feature on your own afterward, you didn't really learn it, you simply shipped it. When I genuinely want to improve, I reverse the workflow. I write the code myself even if it's messy. I use documentation, tutorials, or whatever resources I need. Then, when I get stuck, I ask the artificial intelligence why my approach didn't work instead of asking it to write the solution for me. That small change turns artificial intelligence into a tutor instead of a replacement. Once you already understand the fundamentals, artificial intelligence becomes an accelerator. That's when another problem starts to appear. Projects slowly become fragmented, different conversations lose context, functions get duplicated, existing logic gets rewritten, and before long your codebase becomes inconsistent. The easiest solution is to keep a brain for your project. Whether you use Obsidian or a few Markdown files, document what you're building, why you made important decisions, how the project is structured, and what you're currently working on. Update those notes yourself instead of asking the artificial intelligence to do it. Writing everything down forces you to verify that you actually understand your own code. Then, every new conversation starts with that document instead of a blank slate, giving the model the context it needs without guessing. The biggest lesson, though, has nothing to do with tools. Artificial intelligence can generate almost any function you describe. Your value comes from knowing whether that function is actually good. That judgment comes from reading excellent code, studying rejected pull requests, building your own projects, making mistakes, and fixing them. Over time, you develop the intuition that tells you when a design feels right and when something is off. Artificial intelligence should make you faster, but it should never replace the thinking.